Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious healthy banana bread. So guys, if you have bananas in your house and you think it's getting spoiled, please don't throw it away, save it up for your delicious banana bread. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave comments. If you have questions, just leave comments. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. So guys, here's your delicious banana bread recipe. So beautiful people, for this recipe we'll be needing about 1.5 cups of mashed bananas. So as you can see, I kept my bananas in the fridge so to save them. So we also need 2 cups of flour. So for the recipe we need eggs, 2 eggs, 120 grams of butter, baking soda, brown sugar, and that is my baking pan. I already buttered it, so you can use baking sheet if you have. So first we're gonna mix the dry ingredients together. So we have 2 cups of flour in here. Next we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So we're going to mix this all together. So you can add cinnamon. If you like cinnamon, you can add cinnamon, but I don't add cinnamon to mine because my kids do not like cinnamon. No, they are not allergic, they don't just like cinnamon, so that's why I don't add cinnamon. So if you like, you can add to yours. So in a separate mixing bowl, we're going to cream our butter and sugar together. So here I have my 120 grams of butter, and also I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup, that's 1/4 cup of white sugar. So I'm going to cream them together. So we cream it together, we keep until it's all mixed up and creamy. So now we're gonna add the eggs, 2 eggs. Next we're going to add vanilla, teaspoon of vanilla into our mix and mix together. So now we're going to add our mashed bananas into the mix. So now we're going to add our dry ingredients mix. That's the flour, baking soda, and the salt. So we're going to mix this in together, and after that we're done mixing. So now we're going to transfer into our baking pan. So I'm using a loaf pan for this bread, already buttered. You can use baking sheet, but I use butter. So now we're gonna bake for about
this is our banana bread.
5 minutes.
Just came out of the oven. So now bring it, let it cool for some minutes, like 10 minutes before slicing.
So guys, that's it. Our bread is ready. Our